This is the Prisround Electrode Holder S20, designed for secure and precise mounting of your blank parts. Made from high-quality aluminum, this holder combines durability with lightness. Perfect for your electrical discharge machining, EDM applications. Setting it up is a breeze. Just fit the holder into the recess and tighten the bolts. If you need even more precision, you can center the part using the ER-009222 insert plates. With a built-in gripper slot and sealing plate, this holder is designed for maximum stability. Plus, it's prepared to receive a code carrier, offering enhanced functionality for your workflow. From blank parts to more complex setups, the ER-009222 Prisround holder adapts easily, ensuring precision and flexibility in all your EDM tasks. Its design allows for consistent, repeatable results, whether you're drilling, finishing, or mounting. With global shipping, you'll always have access to the best tools for your production needs. If you have any questions or need help with setup, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to ensure your production runs smoothly and efficiently.